So now we're going to put all of our weight on the right foot. Left foot comes back, and we lightly touch coming forward, back, forward, and back. So with the left foot back, we put the left hand forward, and then we switch as we swing forward and back. Good. Yep. Bending your supporting leg will help you to keep the weight on that leg. If that leg is straight, when you move the other foot, it's going to tend to take that weight forward and back like this. But if you can kind of lightly bend that knee, it helps. Very good. Let's switch sides. So we put all the weight on the left, right foot back, lightly touching, right hand forward, and we switch. Good. Very good. All right, we're going to lightly touch to the sides with the left, both hands to the right, both hands travel the same direction with each other, and we come in, out, in, out, in, out, and continue. Step, or we need to restart, we just start with that foot out and the hands to the opposite side, and away you go. Very good. Very good. Let's try the other side. So we put all our weight on the left, lightly touch with the right, both hands to the left, and we come in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and continue. Very good.